So I just arrived at Dangsan station. I'm the first one and waiting for the others. I think it won't take that much time to arrive. And then we'll go to rent the bicycles and have a ride alongside the river. Exciting. Hello, Franca.
I'm here.
Be late, people coming.
You are late.
Welcome.
Well, thank you. Degrees. We're about to do some lovely bike riding around the Han River today. You may notice we've got someone new in front of the camera today. This is Ian.
Yeah, I'm Ian. I'm from Australia, like Archie as well.
Woo! Yeah,
Pretty fun.
Australia!
Another Australian. It's good to be here. Someone else that can understand my slang. So,
Yeah.
but yeah. We're just about to go have a nice ride around the Han River. It's a really nice thing to do for tourists. And then after that, we're gonna go have some dinner and snacks and watch a nice little water show. So yeah, should be good. Anything to add?
I'm so excited. Excited?
It's hot as balls, but it's gonna be fun.
Yeah, get keen.
Enjoy. I haven't ridden a bike in probably over a decade, but I'm not doing too bad right now. For now, I haven't crashed, but it's only been like 2 minutes, so we'll see.
Yes, we already finished kilometer 3.
Yep, 3Ks down, or 1.8 miles
1.8
for the Americans. Had some awesome views so far. No one's crashed, which is great.
For the moment.
For the moment, there's still plenty of time left.
My money's on Ian, but
I
there's
reckon I'm gonna crash. Yeah, or me, I don't know, it's been a long time.
or Archie.
But nah, so far.
Yeah, our
just-
two Australian friends,
They're
they...
not the strongest bike cyclists, but it's okay because they're having
Australia
great
just isn't
time.
a big cycling thing unless you're like really into it. It's not a casual thing, I'd say.
Maybe behind these mountains we work.
Yeah, more on the left, I guess, over there.
This is my background. This is the greatest song. All right, let's hit it. On a scale from 0 to Tour de France, where do you rate this?
This one?
Yeah, this bike ride.
-20.
Wow, there you have it. Does not compare, but it is really nice. We just finished biking.
Okay, so we just finished biking. We've left our bikes back here. Later we will put in how many kilometers we took, but it were quite some, I guess.
Some miles, some mileage. Be good.
So, yeah.
Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida. Everyone is so nice. So, and now we leave the bikes here. We take the train to go to the Bopco Rainbow Bridge to have a picnic there, to eat, and then to see the rainbow show at 8. So we have to hurry a bit, but yeah.
It'll be fun. We're hungry, so we gotta get there quick.
nice little picnic by the river, wait for the Rainbow Bridge show to kick off. It's a good time, sun is setting, it's a nice breeze. So yeah, about to go check out the convenience store by the river.
Oh, how are we feeling, Ian?
Tired from the bike ride, but looking forward to the food.
Good?
Okay, so we are at the convenience store. This is the meal. Shared meal. 5 people on this one. Where's the fried chicken, Franca? Where's the fried chicken, Franca?
Do you like banana milk?
I love banana milk. It's probably one of my favorite things about Korea.
Yeah, and with hazelnut coffee even better. Okay, so we couldn't get any dinner, so we...
The convenience store only had snacks, shockingly.
Mama, I guess you would say. So we go over there, look for a space, and then get delivery food.
We got
Le chicken.
boneless Gold King with Korean sauce.
Rainbow Bridge. I mean Rainbow Light Show Bridge. It's ready from this angle. Wow.
So we just finished our dinner. It was so good. We had chicken, chips, and water.
Now we're just chilling by the lake, listening to the music, seeing the rest of the water shows, and yeah, just about to call it a night. But it was a great afternoon, great way to spend a night in Seoul, no doubt.
It was a lot of fun.
The show is still on.
Bye!
Bye!